friends, welcome to another episode of
Tinkering with Tiny Humans.
Tinkering with Tiny Humans. I have my tiny humans, Jake and Lainey, here with me today, and we're going to make a really, really yummy and delicious treat today.
What is it? I forgot what it was.
Frozen s'mores.
Frozen s'mores?
I know.
Mama.
It's crazy because it's too cold for a fire, but we're still making a frozen treat, right? But here we are in our Christmas jammies, and we are ready to have a good time, right? We've opened our presents, and now we're just gonna relax, and we're gonna have a treat later on today. So some things you're gonna need. You'll need some milk. We've already measured it out. 3 cups.
3 cups.
Yes. You'll need some graham crackers, chocolate pudding, and the whole recipe is going to be down in the description. We'll have a link to it. And some whipped cream, and my personal favorite, marshmallow cream. Yeah, we actually bought a jar of this to do this a while ago, but ended up eating a lot of it and had to buy a second container, right? Not just you, not just her, your dad too. And some cream cheese, so 4 ounces of cream cheese. Are we ready?
Yes.
Yes? All right, so let's begin. We are going to start with the chocolate pudding. So I'm gonna put this bowl, we're gonna take 2 bowls. This one's gonna go off to the side. So you wanna put the pudding in? All right, Lainey, put the pudding in. Jake, you can do the milk. Pour it slowly though, because we don't want it splashing all over the place.
You might want to open that over the... Yeah,
Ooh.
open that over the bin just in case it pours out. I made that mistake last time.
Did you?
You gotta like shake it too. Like pull it from the corner and shake it.
I think she's got it. Good job.
Milk.
All right, there's the milk.
I have a question.
Sure.
May I use like a normal, like not like
Well, we're going to use this mixer today. They also suggested in the video, or in the instructions, that in the comments really, there were some people who said that the chocolate wasn't very fluffy. So they put a little bit of the whipped cream in there just to like make it a little more fluffy and good. So we're gonna take a little bit of the whipped cream and we're gonna put it in there, just 2 scoops, and we are going to now mix it. So, Elena, do you need to go wash your hands? Lainey likes to eat while we cook too. We are all back. Our hands are all washed. And now we need to plug in the mixer. So let's go ahead. This is a super fun, my favorite feature of our kitchen is that Jason put in.
What is this?
She is a little pest today, huh? All right. All right, so this is cool. It pops right out of our countertop, and we have plugs and charging ports, which is super cool and super fun.
Great.
So here we go. Let's turn it on slow and low. We don't want to get chocolate everywhere.
Put it on 10. That's 1.
That's good. That's 1. And we're gonna mix it until it's creamy.
It looks like chocolate milk.
It does.
My turn.
Yummy.
Okay.
When you pick it up, always turn it off before you pick it out. See, now we have chocolate all over everything. Here we go.
Spatula.
Okay, so I'm gonna use the spatula here, and it just kind of knocks the stuff off the side so we can mix it better. Okay, I'm gonna put that off to the side. All right, Lainey, you wanna give it a little shot? Let's scooch out of the way so Lainey can, she wants to use her Swifter is what she called it, but it's actually a whisk.
Hey, it's really thick, and it sounds like that there are like, I want to say sprinkles, crumbs at the bottom.
Well, that's because we gotta mix it all in. That's probably still some of the chocolate dusting. This is some good mixing.
I think I did a better job than an electric one.
Let me try now. Can I have a turn?
Okay.
So once it's in, and now Jake, now that there's no more like dusty stuff that's gonna kick up, you can go a little higher. So next, thank you, Elena. Good. She's bringing over our 9 by 13 inch pan.
We're gonna need to put some paper in here. I don't know what kind
Right,
it is.
it's called parchment paper.
Parchment.
Okay, and Lainey's gonna be the pourer, it looks like.
Spatula.
Spatula.
Hey, I'm
Yep.
a spatula.
Turn it over.
You're the pourer. You hold it, and then Jake can spatula it.
Spatula. Can I lick the spatula?
So maybe we could
Can I like the bowl?
show the spatula work.
Can I like
Which-
the spatula?
We will do a lot of licking when all of this is done.
Jacob licking the spatula, but I'm taking the bowl.
Get all the liquid out.
Can I show you a technique?
Super enough.
We are going to take it, and you're going to just wipe the sides real good, and then the bottom here. You see?
What were you doing, Jacob?
He was just stirring. All right, so do we have this pretty evenly spread, do we think? What do we think? No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just
And the edges we don't care too much about because we're gonna cut those off. And put them in a bowl and eat them like ice cream. Okay, so we just finished putting the pudding mixture into the freezer. So it went into the freezer, and it's just gonna stay there for a few minutes while we do this next part, okay? So for the next part, what we're gonna do is we are going to put the cream cheese in. So Jake, would you do the honors?
Okay, cream cheese. One
And
cream
just,
cheese.
yep, and just plop it in there.
Plop.
Plop.
More
And
like
then
ball.
Lainey, would you please do the whipped cream?
Right.
And then Jacob, and we're just gonna put all that whipped cream in there.
All of
And we're gonna
this.
put a little more than half of that in. Now that one's gonna be, it doesn't like to come off the,
Ow!
so here, look, you could use this. Oh, look at that. That is massive and awesome.
Yeah.
That's very big.
Oh boy, Lainey got something on the floor.
I don't even know how that happened.
Oh my gosh, look at that huge mess she just made. I don't know how did that is a great question.
over here.
How did that happen?
You're probably eating it.
It's like there's kid footprints of frosting.
Mm.
That's disgusting. If only we had a dog that could help with that.
We do. Mix
Now we are done with that mess.
it. Stir it.
Well, we're gonna fold it in. Elena, are you watching?
Yeah.
Would you like to give it a shot?
Yeah.
And try some folding?
Yeah.
There you go. All right, Jacob, your turn.
You just need practice.
Do some folding works. That's not really folding.
Okay, it gets the job done.
Is it?
You see any more lumps?
Yes.
So our methods may not be traditional
Or effective.
or correct.
Yeah.
All right, now that we've got this mostly good, we need to go back and grab the pudding mixture.
I'll get it.
All right, go get it out of the freezer. All right, so it's not frozen, it's still kind of gooey, you know?
That's still-
But that's okay. Now we're gonna put this in, and then we're gonna use that to flatten it as much as we can.
Did we use
So.
the spatula before?
We did. No, we've used that before. So here we go. We are just dumping it
Count spatula.
into here.
Count thingula.
Hold on, I know you're excited to do that, Lainey. Okay,
High pace.
here we go. That's done.
So always keep the spatula at a 45-degree angle or else the material will get on top of
What
it.
is this?
This is some good spreading though you started off here. You did a good job. Better than I did last time. Well, Lainey did the spreading. Didn't she do a good job?
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome?
That's amazing.
Didn't she do better than I did last time?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, our official spreader from now on,
That
right
she
here.
can never make
little
her
Lainey.
bedspread.
Yeah.
Right? You'd think that she would make her bed once in a while. So now this has to go into the freezer for 6 hours. So this is like the perfect thing to have maybe after dinner. It has been 6 hours and we have spent the day watching movies, playing with our presents, still in our jammies, and now we're ready for a treat. And this looks pretty awesome, doesn't it? All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out. So Jake, if you'll walk around and you'll lift that side, I'll lift this side. And if Lainey, you can scooch that out of the way and we'll move it onto this. Ready, go. Oh, so helpful. Thank you so much, you guys. Okay, we've got our treat. It's all frozen. We need to lay out graham crackers. So watch what we're gonna do and you guys are gonna do this. Ready? We're going to break them in half and we're gonna lay them just in a little grid here. So here's the start of the grid. You guys
I kind of snapped one.
continue with this grid over here so we can move that way.
Kind of snapped one like that.
That's okay, I think.
Can I get a chopstick?
A chopstick. No, because we're about to have a super yummy treat,
It's fun.
right? Here you go, Jake. All right, I'm gonna cut off the edges because they
feels
said
like ice cream.
it does. So this part, these parts are gonna go into a bowl.
Ooh.
Yeah,
What'll this be for?
eating. Yeah, right? There you go. Good chopping.
Hiya.
Hiya.
Marshmallow stuff is good.
Yeah? I imagine these are gonna be, I'm so excited to try them. What about you guys?
Good. Yep.
It's got chocolate, marshmallow. Do you think it's gonna
It's like-
taste like a
Nope.
s'more? No, you think it's gonna taste different?
Yeah. Tastes like a
Jake
s'more.
tried some. You wanna go try some, Lainey?
Tastes like ice cream.
It's like ice.
Cream.
Pick it all up. Even the white part. The white part is the
All right. Once we get these off, I need you guys to start graham crackering the tops of them. All right, Lainey, I'm gonna put this upside down. You guys start graham crackering those.
Okay.
Okay?
Cracker. You're going for cracker next. You're going for cracker next. Here's a cracker. That's your cracker. I have a cracker ready.
The cracker's ready at all times.
You're a cracker. That's your These are so good.
Are they? Have you tried one yet?
Yeah, I didn't try it with graham crackers.
Mm.
So that's gonna be good.
Of course it's gonna be good. All right, do we have them all? All right, we need 2 more grammed.
I don't think we have
Yeah, we got those.
this, but the other one's broken.
That's okay. We can put it on anyway. I'll bet it'll still taste good even if it's broken. Maybe we'll even invite Dad in to have a bite too, right? Would you like a bite, Dad?
Sure.
Ooh.
It's just like a bowl of ice cream.
All right.
Ice cream sticks.
Everybody, grab yourself a
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Mmm. Mmm.
Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
This is very good.
Very good. I recommend.
The marshmallow comes back and I love it.
Mm. If I can make it,
We
anyone
have
can
to
make
work
it.
on our asymmetry next time.
Nah. Details. I cooked this.
Do they all taste the same?
You didn't cook it. You technically froze it.
I cook it. I am the greatest chef ever. Actually, you guys cooked it, but what did you guys think about this?
It was fun.
It was
It
fun.
was messy.
It was messy. Messy's fun, right?
Many ingredients were eaten in the process.
Yes, they were. I'm surprised you guys are hungry and even want some, even though this was 6 hours ago. You guys ate so much. And you licked the bowls and the spoons.
Ah, cold.
So what was your favorite part, Lainey?
Eating it.
Yeah, the eating.
The eating. Jake, what was your favorite part?
I would say spreading the like chocolate and like marshmallow cream all over it.
I learned how to fold things in.
As
the
a
mix.
maid.
You fold it over
Incorporate it.
and incorporate it in that way. I'm glad that I learned something today.
I shoot one of these with my robot claws.
Mmm.
We did a video on those if you guys want to go see it.
We put the link to this recipe, if you're looking for it, in the comments. like and subscribe. And let us know if there's anything else you'd like us to try. Any other recipes or anything really. We're up to trying any kind of project, huh guys?
Yeah.
All right. Bye.
Bye.